and welcome to Tarmac. Today we're in Queensland. Actually, we're at the Norwell Motorplex park, somewhere near the Sunshine Coast, and we're here thanks to Bridgestone, and we're checking out their new tyre, or their new performance tyre, which is the Potenza Adrenalin RE005. It's supposed to be better on the dry and also better on the wet. So we're actually going to go through both of them. We're going to be on the skid pan, we're going to be doing slaloms, and we're going to be doing some hot laps. So come and join us on this one. The RE005 is the latest generation in the iconic Potenza Adrenalin line, Bridgestone's street performance tyre. Renowned for its aggressive design, strong street presence and outstanding value, the Adrenalin range delivers the handling, wet traction and durability everyday enthusiasts demand. So what's new about this 005? Basically, there's a new rubber compound. This new generation rubber compound delivers next level performance with enhanced grip, improved responsiveness, and greater confidence and control across a wide range of driving conditions. The tyre itself features an optimized contact patch and wide block design to ensure a more uniform pressure distribution, delivering superb handling and grip in wet and dry conditions. There's a wide inside rib which enhances steering responsiveness and stability, contributing to a more connected and engaging driving experience. The signature A-shaped groove promotes traction in adverse conditions, helping maintain control. It also has an advanced rain pulse groove. Maximized water channel grooves efficiently evacuate water from the tread surface, reducing aquaplaning and maintaining excellent grip and control in wet conditions. The advanced compound delivers excellent heat resistance for consistent handling, while the performance-focused construction enhances responsiveness, reliability, and long-term durability. They've redeveloped the connecting blocks, reinforcing the outer tread area, enhancing cornering stability, delivering more control through turns. And finally, the multi-round block optimizes contact pressure at the shoulder block edge, helping to prevent irregular wear. So the big thing about today is all about these tyres and how magnificent they are. Actually licensed to thrill apparently, which is an interesting statement, and I guess that goes along with the 00s, but although we're still on 005 at the moment, so I assume that 007 will be even better, but we'll wait for that one. Now, the 005 is the replacement, or I guess the next step in the evolution from the 003. Actually, there was a 004, but what happened was they didn't bring it into Australia or Australia and New Zealand because it wasn't up to scratch as far as in terms of performance when it comes to dry and wet tracks or wet weather. So therefore they've gone straight for the 5, and to be honest, we've driven it on the track, so we've done some slalom work, and we've also done some skid pan stuff, and what that means, it has actually performed so well. So I'm very impressed with it. Now we're going to do some, I guess, spirited driving as a hot lap, which will be hot-ish laps. So we're just going to have some fun with it. But it's all about how the tyre is set up. It's better in every way over the 003. And even with the skidding sounds that you're hearing at the moment, everything feels so in tune and so, I don't know, together, which is just great. It's better in rolling capability, it's better in grip, it's better in handling, and actually just better all round. And what that means, particularly in a car like this, you can have so much more fun. And when you've got somebody, well, a trusted poor guy,
some poor fella next to you,
has
to hold on for his dear life,
who's trying desperately to try to direct me while I'm driving badly and also talking badly. He has to listen to this, but tremendous. So as you'll probably hear, there's a lot of squealing going on, and some of it from the instructor that I've got, which is fine. So I've got to try to master this corner. So
we're gonna go past the purple, keep going. Now we turn in tight, pick that throttle up, use up that track. That's the line we want. We're going past the corner,
yeah.
We're turning back into it.
Gotcha.
That gets us nice and straight and allows us to get on that throttle early. What do we think of the lateral grip?
It's just great. The way that this car lets you do whatever you want to do.
One more.
And the way the Tyre is so forgiving and corrects you when you are driving, it's so good.
It's also very, very predictable.
Yeah.
Well done, you drove very well. Very, very good driving. And hopefully a good bit of fun.
Good driving, you see.
Yeah. So how'd you go?
He reckons it was the best he's ever seen. Actually, I taught him how to do stuff. I was that good. Grip's really good, really tight. Actually, the braking, if you put too much on, it brings it really to a grinding halt, or too much to a grinding halt. So the smooth is good, and you know, I'm smooth.
Yeah, hi, I'm Paul Morris from Norwell Motorplex, the owner-operator here, and we're here to do some high-performance driving and test out some Bridgestones. Okay, we're on the RE005 today. To me, this tyre is a tyre you can drive on the street, but also put it in that high-performance environment. Today we've got track day simulation, really, and the big thing I notice is just the way the tyre's designed with that semi-slick on the leading edge. You just don't get any of that overheating on the leading edge, and to get a product that you can use every day, but if you want to do some spirited driving, you know it's not going to let you down, is exceptional. Look, we see a lot of tyres, and we realise the most important thing on the car is what's in contact with the road, and that's the tyre. So we learn what's good and we learn what's bad, so we're really in the box seat to show people the performance of this tyre and what it can do. And for us, really, it can do two things at once. Can you turn the wheel and still brake and give the tyre some inputs it responds to, and it just ticks a lot of boxes. Yeah, if you're looking for a tyre that you want good grip in the wet for everyday use, but you want to go to a track day and you don't want to have semi-slicks, this is probably your best option. It's going to hang in there all day. You're not going to blow the leading edge out of it and be looking for a new set of tyres, which is really a failure zone when you take that car into that environment, is the leading edge. It just performs pretty well. So we've smashed them here, and I can tell you, they do their job.
So there you have it, the new Bridgestone Potenza Adrenalin RE005. Better than the 003, actually better all round. Better on the dry, better on the wet. And look, license to thrill, we've had a big thrill today. Fun and games. Love the squealing, and that was mostly by me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. See ya.